Hi all, I'm Danielle Frazier with the St. Augustine St. John's Board of Realtors Education Committee. I'm here with Carmen Richardson and Elise Shepard. We're here to welcome you to roll into the fun and camaraderie for the St. Augustine St. John's bowling event.
Mark your calendars for Wednesday, September the 27th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Anastasia Lanes Bowling.
All proceeds go towards the St. Augustine St. John's Board of Realtors Education Fund to help local high school seniors.
This isn't just a typical bowling night. This is going to be an evening full of fun-filled events, networking opportunities. So even if you don't bowl great, that's fine. Please come and join us for a great time.